Yeah, mate, let's go, mate. What you doing, mate? Oh, I fucked it up. I need to solder some wires on. I don't have enough room. I want to be able to control my potentiometer from a few inches away instead of right on my breadboard. Wouldn't that be great? Melt some metal onto the wire and then melt some metal onto the other wire. Then take your other wire and then put it with a really hot piece of metal, a different piece of metal, to the other wire, and then put them together and then take it away and then have it cool down, and then it will an extension. What's better than soldering in real life? Soldering in VR. I'm gonna solder some wires while in VR. Okay, so the things that you're gonna need, well, that I'm gonna need: my wires, my potentiometer, my solder, as well as my soldering gun. And this is a gun. Put them all together, and what you'll have is something useful. But begins.
Alright, I'm just here to say that you should not solder anything with a VR headset on. Don't do it. I didn't do it. I did it, but I didn't do it. But I didn't do it.